Haldia Institute of Technology, located in Haldia, West Bengal, has received an overall rating of 4.1 from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the details of the BTech program offered here, starting with the placements rated 4.1. According to the NRF 2024, 1,217 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 92% secured placements. The median salary stood at 5 lakh per annum, reflecting a 25% increase from 2022. Top recruiters included Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, Accenture, Adani Wilmar, PwC, and Asian Paints, offering roles like software developer, graphic designer, and security architect. As per student reviews, the highest package offered reached 33 lakh per annum for BTech. Regarding median salary, Haldia Institute of Technology is on par with JIS College of Engineering and Narula Institute of Technology. Students also shared their internship experiences with companies like IOCL, HPL, PwC, Wipro, Tata Steel, and Bharat Petroleum. Moving on now to the academics, where the BTech program rated 4.1 stars offers 14 specializations, including chemical, food technology, applied electronics, and biotechnology. Admission requires 45% in class 12, and the entrance exam accepted are WB JEE and JEE Mains. JEE Main cutoff show higher competition for CSE, AEI, and biotechnology, while WB JEE cutoff show increased competition for CE, ECE, and biotechnology. The total course fees for 4 years is 5.83 lakhs, with an additional 1.01 lakh for hostel fees. Now let's take a look at the infrastructure rated 4.2 stars. The campus spans 37 acres and offers Wi-Fi, ICT-enabled classrooms, and specialized labs. It has 11 boys' hostels and 3 girls' hostels. Students appreciate the canteen and hostel facilities, but have raised concerns about the poorly maintained classrooms. The quality of the canteen food is low as per student reviews. The campus also provides extensive sports facilities for cricket, football, and basketball. Moving on now to the faculty and course rated 4 stars. The faculty members are highly qualified, with many coming from IITs, NITs, and BITS. They are appreciated for their teaching style, although some students feel that they can be strict. A minimum of 75% attendance is required to sit for exams, with a passing percentage of 40%. Haldia Institute of Technology has various industrial and academic tie-ups, including IIST Shibpur and NIT Kurukshetra, which provide students with additional exposure. Turning our attention to Campus Life, which has received a rating of 4.4 stars. The Campus Life features departmental clubs and events like the Technical Festival, Prayukti, seminars, conferences, and workshops that offer students opportunities to grow beyond academics. Currently, Haldia Institute of Technology is ranked in the 201 to 300 rank band in the NIRF Engineering category. For more details on Haldia Institute of Technology, Haldia, West Bengal, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.